Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Fantom chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area that I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in that first wave to the upside in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.4839 mark, and I now believe that Fantom is now ready for that massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. In my previous videos also, I gave you a target area here on the charts that we need to continue holding for us to still say that whatever we are seeing over here is the start of this wave 3 to the upper side, which I was able to come up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from this low that we made at around the $0.4293 mark in the formation of this wave 2 to the high that we made at around the $0.54975 mark, and by so doing I was able to come up with a target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area here on the chart. You can see that you have continued holding within, and I'm expecting to see a reaction of this target area very soon, start gearing up and continue pushing through our key areas of resistances to fully support higher prices, to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you the target area for this wave 3 to the upper side, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after bottoming out in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2 within this yellow target area, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of the wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, where you can now see that we have peaked in the formation of that first wave to the upside of this Elliot wave structure right here in blue, and we have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of this wave 3, and because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see another 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And here on the charts you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in this wave 2, and now the primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3 and sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.5724 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. And you can see at the time of this recording we seem to be having a reaction of this blue target area, which lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and there are chances that we might continue gearing up, get to the wave 1 high, which lies at around the $0.4839 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, then that will be the first confirmation that we are back in the formation of this wave 3. And once that move plays out, I'll be watching for a break above the key area of resistance at around the 0.5 before we get a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue gearing up and fully maximize our target area in the formation of this wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported On the RSI, we are trading at around the 39 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a sharp decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross to fully support higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.